today we get rid of the older mattress, which was a nice mattress for the van, but it was kind of bulky, and so we're going to memory foam, like a gel foam mattress. This is 12 inches in terms of width. The foam mattress is about 8 inches, and it'll be a lot easier to handle. So that way, if we need to take it in or out of the van, it'll be a lot more convenient. I'm gonna go take a look at the van right now and give you an idea of what the platform looks like. I'm gonna open it up and show you what the van looks like without the mattress inside. This is kind of like the back lot over at one of the theme parks. It's literally a large platform that is quite durable, and it supports a hell of a lot of weight, and it sits above the storage back here. There are the back doors, and you can see there's some rough places that you cannot see with the foam mattress, and I like that. I like being able to access areas in the van for electricity issues, those type of things, if they should happen. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit. Then we're going to take the mattress out of the box. We're going to let it expand, because that's what the foam mattresses do. They come in a box. And then basically put a cover over it, which is waterproof. It'll get back in here, we'll make the bed, and we are ready for a trip to Yellowstone. Be a lot easier to do. Okay, perfect. Oh, this is so much easier. Oh, that's awesome. How's it look? That's a lot more space. Right? It's good.
Looks good.